In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two or more videos in Canva. We'll walk through a simple workflow inside your existing Canva project, so you can place multiple clips together without any confusion. Start by opening your project. Along the bottom, you'll see the page thumbnails. These are the mini previews of each page in your design. Navigate to the page that already contains your first video. That page is your starting point for combining clips. Now, right-click the thumbnail of that page. In the menu that appears, choose Edit as Video. This switches the page into video editing mode so you can work with multiple clips. If the page is already set up as a video, you'll see a small pencil icon on that page thumbnail. Clicking that pencil opens the same video view, so either route brings you into the correct editing space. Once you're in the video view, look for the plus sign. This is your shortcut to add more media. Click the plus sign, then open the Upload section to access your own videos. If you prefer, you can also choose stock videos from Canva's built-in library. Both options work the same way. Simply click a video to add it to your current page. Each click drops that clip into your project so it becomes part of the combined video. To bring in more than one clip, just repeat the same action. Click the plus sign if needed, browse to Uploads or Stock Videos, and click the next clip. Keep going until you've added all the videos you want to include. As you add them, you'll see your clips appear in the video editor, giving you a clear sense that everything is coming together in one place. A quick tip while you're working: make sure you're always adding to the same page that's in video mode. The pencil icon on the thumbnail is your confirmation you're in the right spot. Another helpful note is to preview as you go. Playing back your page lets you confirm that every clip is included the way you expect and that you haven't missed any segments you wanted to combine. And that's it. By opening your project, switching that page to Edit as Video using the plus sign, and choosing your clips from Uploads or Stock Videos, you've combined two or more videos right inside Canva. Once all your clips are added, you're ready to continue polishing your project or move on to your next creative step.